I'm excited. This is going to be a good one. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we've got this to unbox. Now this is my final step towards a bigger turbo, and it's a good one. I just want to do a huge shout out to MJ Performance for kind of the insane delivery time that they've managed with this. I was speaking to him yesterday lunchtime. I think it was all finalised by about 2 o'clock. He got in contact with Pro Alloy, and Pro Alloy sent this out, and I got it today at 10 AM, which is insane for the fact that they had to paint a white logo rather than their normal logo onto this. So I am so excited. So let's crack it open, let's have a little look. I mean, the packaging on this is incredible. No one could ever say it isn't. Oh my god. Whew. Right. We're in. We're in. All of that packaging for that. So, inside the kit, you get silicone pipes. I think they give you a bunch of instructions inside of here as well, but as you can see you get two kind of pipes that come out of the intercooler itself, and then you get two silicone joiners there and a bunch of little clamps. So that's cool. But let's open what I hope is a perfect looking product. I don't know whether you guys can see that, but I guess that gives you some kind of idea of what cooler I bought. I'm going to have to slice this just a little bit. Now before anyone says why you're using a standing knife to cut like towards the product, I'm really not. I'm lifting it all up. I'm being so careful with it. I'm not going anywhere near the intercooler. Right. That's good enough. God, I feel like a kid at Christmas. Right. Come on, let me in. Let me in. This is an incredible amount of packaging. I mean, if this thing's turned up damaged, I have no idea how, because nothing's damaging this. I'm in. Oh my god, it looks good. Holy balls. Oh! Oh my god. Look at that. Does that not look amazing? I am blown away. That is incredible. So, this is the Pro Alloy curved intercooler. It is a masterpiece. I am really happy with that. So that is an amazing quality piece of kit there. So there you can see, that is what it is. So Pro Alloy, Pro Spec intercooler curved, satin black, and they kindly done me a pure white Pro logo. So normally it has silver at the bottom and then it has red up top. This is a pure white sprayed logo. Man, I'm so happy with that. So inside the kit, you've got two 1/2" 10mm rubber grommets, two straight silicone joiners, which I'll show you in a second. You've got 6 hose clips, and then you've got 2 alloy elbows, which are 90-degree turns. So, just to clarify what you've got the straight silicone hoses, 2 of those, and you've got 2 alloy elbows there. Overall, these actual elbows are actually really, really nice. So looking inside and stuff, some companies kind of inside you'll see like swarf and stuff, which is basically like part of the manufacturing process. But this is actually really, really nice. There's like no sharp edges. Yeah, no, I'm impressed with that. That's cool. So that's nice. So there you go. That is what you get in the kit. But overall, I'm so happy. Thank you very much to MJ Performance for sorting this all out incredibly quickly. We're talking probably 16, 17 hours to get to my door and for them to spray that logo up top. I mean, that's incredible. Thank you so much to Martin at MJ Performance for sorting this out for me. Seriously, if you're down in the southwest area and you're near Plymouth area, go check him out. He's a solid, nice guy. I mean, to get delivery time from a different company through him that quickly, I don't know. It's just insane. So thank you so, so much. I cannot wait to get this on my car, and that will probably be the next video, maybe. But overall, this should get me ready for my big turbo. I'm not expecting any difference from my car now. It may do, it may not, I'm not sure. Not expecting a huge difference or any difference at all. But obviously when I've got the turbo, I know that this is going to cool that turbo perfectly. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, favorite and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.